Because the meaning of hero in the face of danger, he is a person who can deal with the difficulties thanks to knowledge, experience, courage, talent, and his ability to make a decision. Like Red Army soldiers in Stalingrad defense, and also Mustafa Kemal Pasha in the Dardanelles War, Fidel Castro in Cuba, and Mahatma Gandhi in India. Courage is the key word, because courage consists of the determination and permanency based on the knowledge, experience, and talent has been improved by the education. Courage allows us to deal with our sense of panic and fear. As you know that every surgery is a new experience. It's not routine. Surgery and sailing are the most difficult job in the world. Both of them may face unexpected problems when they struggle with the nature. One side, it's